Alright, what is up guys? Today I'm gonna be playing Heavy Rain. I was on the PlayStation Store, so it kinda looked interesting, so we're gonna jump into it. I know nothing about this game, so we're just gonna hit news stories to see what's up. Alright, Sony Computer Entertainment. It's raining. Don't know what all this is about. What? If it's a horror game, you guys are in for a treat. Alright, Saturday, 11:22 a.m. Like it. Nice and bright so far. Looks like a picture of me and my wife. But it's just me. It's nice. Yep. Good old Saturday morning. To interact, make the indicated move with the right stick. Alright, so get up. Let's get it. Let's have a productive Saturday morning. Try to do it slowly to see how to control the animation speed. Alright, alright. Look at my dude, I'm pretty handsome. To walk. Use the left stick. What? Oh, alright. Open the closet, see what we got in here. Nope, I'm not getting dressed today. Anytime you can listen to what your character thinks by pressing L2, it looks like. Shower.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
That makes sense. Like a logical human being, but let's go check this out. What's he thinking? Nothing, alright. Cool. Cool. What's that? It's a letter.
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Oh, Grace is so sweet. Alright, let's open the store real quick. Got a pet bird, that's dope. It's no pterodactyl, but I'll take it. Dude, my house is nice. There's another room over here. It's my kid's room, I think. I have multiple kids. Ooh, can I juggle? Hell yeah, I can. Oh, I dropped them. Quick times. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, boy. I'm a good juggler. Set that shit down. Alright. Let's get out of here. Just a man in boxers in a kid's room. That's kind of not okay. What's in here? Is this my bathroom? Yeah, you wanted to take a shower, so let's get it. I need to shake my controller for this. I don't like that. So, like, can I put on clothes yet? Or? Oh. I'm too fast. Alright. I got it. Third time's the charm, going up. I'm getting better at this. Got it. Clean shave. Ready to take on this Saturday morning. Just brush my teeth. Gotta whiten up them pearly whites. Gotta shake my controller again. It's way too much of a workout. I'm done with this game. Time to talk myself up. You're a great guy. You're good at your job. You're the greatest whatever you do ever. Let's get it. And change the camera angle. So they're like stairs, yes.
I should get dressed before going downstairs.
Probably a good idea. But I tried and you didn't want to, so. Let's walk back into my room. Go to my closet again. It's looking dapper. Have my Drew Brees. No. Unfortunately not. Rocking some cowboy boots. Okay, walk. What are you doing with your life? Alright, there you go. Oh my, what is all this? Oh wait, birthday party. How do I check his thoughts again? Garden or work?
I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done. Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
I don't want to go to the garden. I just want to like go to work. See what I do with my life. So, those my kids outside? Possibly. It's Grace's birthday. Gotta get some work done for that. I don't know why the piano in this game's so intense. I don't have time to sit down. I gotta go get some work done. Where do I work? Alright, maybe this is my office. Oh yeah. Office. Am I an architect? That's what those people are called. Architects. Oh no, I meant to just draw. I didn't mean to stand up. Sit your ass back down. Come here, boy. Yeah, sit down. Alright, get some work done. Oh, this is way too much work for me. I don't want to draw all this shit. What am I drawing? That was a semi-quick time. That was a quick time. I hate quick times. Last game I played with quick times was Until Dawn, and that shit was scary as hell. He's going fat. Oh shit. That was impressive. Where's Grace?
It's almost lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
I forgot how to walk for a second, I'm sorry. How do I get outside? Come on. Where's the door? Alright. Where's my garden? My kids be dragon slayers, bro. Oh, I'm a Jedi Knight. Y'all ain't gonna fuck with this. I'm an architect Jedi. Don't want no problems, boy. Like, I'm a full dad, bro. Oh, that's cool. It's a beautiful game, honestly. A lot of bright colors. Here, my kids are home. That's great. I'm so proud to be a dad. Look at me.
Hey,
Hi,
take it
kids.
easy, you're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day.
Knock me over, we'll have some problems, kid.
10
I'll
years
fuck
old,
you up.
That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
You're 10 years old. You're old enough to fight your old man.
And
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
I'm coming doesn't help her. Ooh, get it. Now we're just gonna take the groceries.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket.
Just whip them into shape.
Managed to get any work done?
Yeah, I'm an architect.
Not really. I tried, but I didn't really nail it.
Dude, I thought we had
I'm
it
getting
good.
inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the clients next month.
I
thought it was good.
A billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive.
Who's Jason?
Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Where? The cupboard? Where's the cupboard at?
Hey, Ethan. I thought I asked you to take care of the plates.
Where are they?
I forgot. They're in the living room cupboard, right?
Yeah, they haven't moved since last time I asked.
Okay, bitch. You ain't gotta get an attitude with me. Like, I'm trying to do this for you, but if you're gonna get an attitude with me, I won't.
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug.
A big tug. Yeah. Fucking jerk the control button. Yeah, let's get it. I literally have to do everything.
Be careful, okay?
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
What else do you need, babe? Ooh,
Ethan.
I don't know
chill.
if I've already told you this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars.
Yeah. Get it, Ethan? But you gotta chill, the kids are home. She's got a birthday to plan, bro. Chill.
But now is not the right time
Fuck. My dude was about to get... Alright. Let's get it.
Jason looks happy.
for it. Yeah. It's hard to believe he's 10 years old today. It seems like only yesterday we were flirting in high school. We're getting old, Ethan.
So Ethan's our oldest, right? So let's say we got married 10 years ago. That's a long
Did you find
fucking
a present
time.
for Jason?
Yeah, I picked it up from the store this morning. Oh, we were lucky. It was the last one in stock.
Oh, really? Nice. So we're good at picking
Can I
presents.
do anything to help?
No thanks. I
Oof.
should be able to manage.
Oh, my dude sounds like our
When are
robot
Jason's
though.
friends coming?
Oh, about 2 p.m.? Oh, God, I hope I'll be able to keep the situation under control. Not like last year.
I'll be here to help you. Sorry. It's like how it doesn't give me like any missions. Like play with kids. All right,
I
let's
think
go.
we'll go outside and play with the kids.
Let's go play with the kids. Are they out back or out? My dude's a pro
I
RC
thought you got that for the
car driver.
Of course. I'm just checking that it still works.
Yeah, I'm just checking if it still
Yeah,
works. So get off my
sure.
case. Just always on my case, bro. And I, like ever since that one incident with our other kid, we don't have that kid anymore.
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay?
Oof, not as free as a bird,
After that,
sorry.
we've gotta eat, 'cause your friends are gonna be here soon.
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first. No, me first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
Doing what?
Me first. Me first. No, me first.
Which one's a cool kid?
I want to do the helicopter.
This has got skulls on his shirt. This one's rocking some like Aeropostale.
Throw me up in the air.
Alright, let's get this kid.
All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
What if I drop my kid? Break his neck. Dude, this is actually bad for the kid's arms. Like, he's gonna break his arm. Dislocate it. He's gonna throw up. This is not a good idea. He's got a party soon.
It's my turn now. It's
Yeah,
my turn.
yeah, it's your. Please just catch him. That's my biggest fear as a dad. Just
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Vroom. Oh, I ran into that thing. No, get off me, bitch.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Be careful. Hang on.
Oh, dude, I'm strong, bro. Check it. These kids are what, like 80 pounds each? I'm like James Harrison. Like the Rock. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bro, I will school you. I was just showing off my Jedi skills.
This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil one.
Ha! Surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
Oof. Oh, I just sliced them, bro.
Come on, Jason. Hoya!
Give up. I am victorious.
Dude, I'm not having any mercy, bro. I'm literally about to beat these kids. I don't care.
Attack! Attack!
Like, you could let them win, right? But, like, I ain't gonna. Got too much pride for that. Oh, I chopped him right in the face.
Pay for that. Come on. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark.
Dude, that's gotta hurt like when you get hit by like a scooter in the ankle.
Jason, continue. Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, you gotta be strong. Kid, you just lifted him in the air.
No. My life. Let's go. To an end.
Yeah, it's about time you learn.
Who's ready, kids? You coming in?
Dude, I'd be mad if she like only made the kids feel. Alright, I'm walking this way now. Sorry.
Sean? Lunch is ready.
Dude, I'm right here.
I'll go get him.
Wait, who's Sean? Oh, wait, he's the other kid. Where's he at? Where'd he go? Did my son get murdered? Sean. There's food. Let's get it. Oh, wait, I walked right past him. Oops. Dude, put the bird back.
What's
Dude,
up?
the bird died.
He's dead. He's dead and it's all my fault.
How's it your fault, bro? I just saw him. It's fine.
Of course it's not your fault.
Things just die
I'd
sometimes.
give anything if you could come back to life.
You know, Sean,
Chill, it's just a bird.
there's some things which just have to happen.
You only promised two things in this life, kid.
It's not fair.
Birth
Dad.
and
It's
death.
not fair.
It's time to go. Just get over it. That's my talk with the kid. Like, when I have a kid, like, in real life, I'm just gonna buy him a dog when he's born. And then when it dies, that'll be his first lesson on life as a child. That everything dies. Merlin, the dog, people. Dude, these kids better whip into shape or I'm about to smack them. Like, see the kid in behind us in the green shirt? He's walking with his parents, not acting like this. Like, this gives me anxiety. They gotta chill. Alright, look, now we're behaving. Yeah. Cause I'm about to smack the shit out of one of you. Oh no, I don't mess with clowns, bro.
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem.
Dude, why is this piano getting so loud? This ain't a piano. Why is it so loud?
We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Is something tragic gonna happen? Cause I'm waiting. That clown just like blows up. Watch your kid. Watch. My kid just wandered off. He's gonna die. The clown got him.
Jason!
I see him. Go.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Go get Jason.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Come on, get him.
Jason!
If that clown gets him, I might cry.
Jason, you really shouldn't wander off like that. you
Yeah,
know?
bro.
There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Bro, you gotta promise you can't wander off like this. Cause like, that clown would got you.
Hey, champ. What's your name?
He probably would have killed you.
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
The red one.
Here you go.
Basic. Dude, yellow slept on. I'd get that yellow one.
That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Alright. Do I not have cash?
Keep the change.
Crap, bro, I lost them.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
I can't
Stay
find him.
here.
What does it look?
I'll go get it.
Sound like it? He disappeared. Don't ask me dumb questions.
Jason! Jason!
Alright, now I'm sounding more worried.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason! Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Dude, I swear I saw a red
Jason!
balloon.
Jason!
I see him. That's Jason, bro.
Jason!
Hey, be careful.
Jason!
Hey, man, watch it.
Jason! Jason!
Crap, what's with all these balloons, bro?
Jason!
Hey! What's your problem?
Jason!
What now?
Move.
Jason!
Hey, man, watch it.
Jason!
I don't see that red
Jason!
balloon anymore. Wait.
Jason! Jason!
Hey, man, are you nuts?
That's not Jason.
Jason!
Some random dude with a red balloon.
God, you really had me
Oh wait, that
scared.
is Jason. No, that ain't Jason, bro. Dude.
Jason!
Hey, watch it.
Jason!
Dude, this is not cool.
Jason!
I see another red balloon. That's not Jason, though. It can't be.
Jason!
Wait, yes it is.
Hey,
Jason!
hey, be careful.
Where is he going?
Jason!
Watch it.
Jason!
He's about to get hit by a car.
Shit!
Dad!
Now he's gonna get hit by a car. Dude, I just took a car for my son.
Jason!
Bitch, why are you just worried about Jason? I just got hit by a car.
No, Jason, oh my god, no.
Dude, I knew something bad was gonna happen. I don't like games like this. Like, why did Jason have to run off like that? I thought he was chill. I beat him in that sword fight. We were having a good time. Sorry, Jason. It's been real, homie. You will be missed. By some, not by me, but by some people. 2 years later. Near an airport. Oh, is that me? I'm still alive. Alright, that's cool. Okay, what is this? He's just chilling outside like a school. Like, dude, you're a middle-aged man. Oh, that's the other kid.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Dad.
Dude, this is depressing. I don't like this game anymore. Alright guys, but I've been recording for about 30 minutes, so I'll get into this chapter next video. If you liked it, as always, comment, subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. Peace!